Imagine a world where your MacBook folds neatly into your pocket and your iPad unfolds into a full-size desktop. Sounds like science fiction, right? Well, Apple is making moves that might soon turn this futuristic dream into reality. Today, we're diving deep into Apple's bold leap into foldable technology and how it's planning to merge the best of iOS and macOS into one groundbreaking device. Get ready, because the future is folding right before our eyes. For years, we've seen foldable devices from brands like Samsung and Huawei make headlines, but Apple has remained noticeably cautious, watching from the sidelines. Now, according to reliable industry analysts, Apple is finally ready to step onto the foldable stage, but with a unique twist. Apple isn't just planning to fold phones, they're gearing up to create foldable devices that might redefine laptops and tablets altogether. Reports suggest Apple is developing a foldable MacBook and iPad hybrid, a revolutionary device designed to offer users the flexibility of both macOS and iOS in a single form factor. Imagine working seamlessly on macOS for productivity tasks, then instantly flipping your device into a portable touchscreen, running iPadOS for creative projects or entertainment. This dual operating system approach could completely change how we think about portable computing. But why is Apple entering the foldable market now? Well, the tech giant is known for waiting patiently until technology matures enough to meet its high standards. Apple doesn't rush, it refines. And now, sources indicate Apple's foldable screens will utilize cutting-edge display technologies like ultra-thin glass, UTG, and advanced OLED panels, ensuring durability and stunning visual clarity. This means users won't just be getting gimmicky technology, they'll be experiencing a truly premium product that matches Apple's legendary build quality. Apple's foldable strategy is likely driven by their push to unify user experience across devices. With the powerful M-series chips already revolutionizing MacBooks and iPads, a next logical step is bridging the gap between these two product lines. By integrating macOS with iPadOS, Apple aims to offer unparalleled continuity, enabling users to transition effortlessly between desktop-level productivity and intuitive touch-based tasks. One of the most exciting aspects of Apple's rumored foldable is how it might impact app development. Developers could create hybrid applications optimized for both touch and traditional desktop interfaces, offering incredible versatility and convenience. Creative professionals, business users, students, everyone stands to benefit significantly from this fusion of form and function. But of course, innovation comes with challenges. Foldable technology is notoriously difficult to perfect, especially when it comes to durability and software integration. Apple, however, is uniquely positioned to tackle these issues head-on, given its meticulous attention to detail and robust software ecosystems. Reports suggest Apple has been rigorously testing flexible hinge mechanisms and advanced screen protections to ensure their foldable devices meet customer expectations and uphold their premium reputation. Pricing will be another crucial factor. Historically, Apple products command premium prices, and a foldable hybrid device combining macOS and iOS functionality could easily set new pricing benchmarks. However, loyal Apple customers have often demonstrated willingness to invest in quality and innovation, particularly when it's right here on our channel.